Hey everyone, welcome back to Wheel Wonderland. Today, we've got an absolute stunner on the table. The Pandem Subaru BRZ from Hot Wheels. Circuit Legend Series. Just look at that card art. It's pure racing vibes. You've got the BRZ sliding sideways in a cloud of smoke, showcasing that wide-body Pandem kit. This casting comes from the car culture line, which means premium details, full metal body and chassis, and those sweet real riders tires. Let's crack it open and check it out up close. And here it is, the Pandem Subaru BRZ. This thing looks incredible in pearl white with crisp Pandem logos along the sides. It's got an ultra-aggressive stance, super wide fender flares, a detailed front splitter, and that giant rear wing. The black wheels with slick tires complete the race-ready look. Check out the base, it's all metal and stamped Mattel, Thailand, as you'd expect from the premium car culture releases. Everything about this car screams quality. From the weight in your hand to the sharp tempo details, I think this Pandem BRZ is easily one of the coolest modern JDM castings Hot Wheels has done recently. It's a perfect piece for any Japanese car collection or anyone into track-inspired builds. Let me know in the comments, are you collecting the Circuit Legend series? Or do you prefer classic JDM cars instead? And don't forget, subscribe for more Hot Wheels unboxings right here on Wheel Wonderland. See you in the next video.